Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. A UK citizen vacationing in Jamaica has died after trying to drink all 21 cocktails on the menu. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a breaking news.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in the year every time.
Greetings and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rasta, owner of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you to hit that subscribe button, become a part of the Rastaman channel. I'm asking you, become a part of the Rastaman panel. Ladies and gentlemen, a UK citizen vacationing in Jamaica has died after attempting to partake in a challenge that involved drinking 21 cocktails that's featured on the bar's menu. His name is Timothy Southerner, and he had finished 12 of the 21 cocktails on the menu when he returned to his hotel room at the Royal Decameron Club Caribbean in St. Anne. Now, this is where he later died in accordance with the news reports. A pathologist in Kingston said that the 53-year-old man from Staffordshire cause of death was acute gastroenteritis due to alcohol consumption. Staffordshire-area coroner Emma Serrano ruled this death as alcohol-related. The outlet report an initial investigation into Southerner's death found that he had been drinking brandy and beer. Now, at some point during the day, Southerner met two Canadian women and celebrated their birthday with them. The man told him they were trying to complete the 21 cocktail challenge before midnight as part of their fiesta. The festivities then took a turn as it is unclear when Southerner returned to his room. Now, he quickly consumed the 12 cocktails, and his family members, when they tried to help him, were futile. His family members who were on the trip with him said they tried to help him in vain. He was on his back choking. I put him in a recovery position and screamed for an ambulance. He was making a gurgling sound. As soon as he was in the recovery position, he vomited. I was shouting his name with no response. One of his family members was telling the authorities. The family member said since experienced this outrage and dissatisfaction with their emergency crew, who tried to save him in the hotel, claiming that they were unprepared to effectively take care of him. When the nurse arrived, I said, had an ambulance been called? And she said, no. I thought she was gonna take over, but that was not the case. I noticed he was starting to lose temperature. I checked his pulse and didn't find it, the relative said. She said he had a pulse. It was short though, but I was starting to lose it. Got a full look of his face and I thought he had passed away. The relative claimed that the nurse was not adequately trained in providing life-saving measures. I said, don't just stand there and look at him. Start CPR. She only gave him chest compression. Maybe if she had known what she was doing, maybe he would still be here. The grieving relative added the service and the treatment he received was disgusting. Ladies and gentlemen, my condolences to the relatives of this young man right here. Only 53 years old from UK. and he let his gluttony take his life. 12. He drank 12 of the 21 and still didn't get there. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm warning you, when you come to the island, the drinks them stronger than the normal one. Don't overdo it. I'm telling you, if it's food, don't overchew it. If it's drink, don't overdrink it. Here is an example of a tourist that let his alcohol gluttony got the best of him. Imagine 21 off the menu, he only got to 12. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment. Let me know if you know somebody with greedy for alcohol like this. The family members are grieving and blaming the nurse that she was not adequately and the hotel was not properly equipped. But if you did tell your 53-year-old family member, say be careful after drinking and smoke more spliff, I'm sure he would have just fall asleep if he got a high-grade spliff. But him one drink 12 after 21, a greedy, him one drink off the bar. Ladies and gentlemen, he just turned another superstar. He's on Deep Roots TV. So you know I'm telling the truth. You cannot come from England, come drink off the alcohol and then call you dead, you want blame me. Subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comment. Let me know if this young man, because I call everyone young, he's only 53, him a big man. Him should have know better. Listen, any minute, any weather, don't ramp with Jamaican alcohol. We have the strongest down here. We have the best. Me don't know why you're here. It no water down. We have the real royals of the crown. You're lucky you never mix it in with the Ray J and nephew, the real white rum. Listen, you can't sue nobody. You come from UK and try to drink out Jamaican dead. A bear. Me I tell you straight up. You heard what the Rasta man say. Subscribe, like, and share. Yeah. One boy come from UK and try drink half liquor. And guess what? Him gone home with one tag on him toe. Me a talk out one dead sticker. Don't come to Jamaica and try drink off with things and laugh. Guess what? You could end up in another death chaff. It's ironic. Another European. Leave Jamaica with a
So from the mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. The mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. The mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And there's some black people that put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like the nana, who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like the nana, him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them, well them shut and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them, well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon, the fire burn no longer. Babylon, the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire key, Rasta man and a real fire key. Boy, fire key, Rasta fire soldier, fire key. Yeah, balalang man,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the year every time.
Now me I say, this is Stash speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwal. One big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deep Roots TV. Real
Deep
TV.
Root TV. Big up yourself.
Tune in to Deep Roots TV. Log in, subscribe, online, YouTube. Get there or be square. Jacoby said that.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Tap in. Deep Roots TV. You already know what it is.
Yes. Big up Deep Roots TV every time. Blessing.
We don't know.
Rasta Soji.
We don't know no Deep Roots TV. And big up and locking and tuning. Sin. Rastafari. Give thanks.
Yeah, man.
Deep
Big
Roots
up to
TV.
Deep Roots. Yeah, man. You want to hear the truth? Tune into Deep Roots. Up top. What to do?